In this video, I'll show you how to download a DRIVERPACK solution. DRIVERPACK solution is a Windows driver management program that helps users automatically install, update, and fix missing drivers on their computer. It scans your computer hardware and detects outdated or missing drivers for devices like graphics cards, printers, and more. Now let's get started. The first thing you want to do is open your web browser and go to the DRIVERPACK official website. What you're gonna do next is click the install button. Once it's downloaded, open the installer. After opening the file, it will start installing automatically. And that is how you can download DRIVERPACK. If you found this video helpful, make sure you drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.